My fiancé cheated on me with my bridesmaid, so I sent everything to their families and ruined their lives. In mid-November, I learned my fiancé Sam had been cheating on me for 6 months. I discovered this by accident. My phone died and I needed to Google something, so I grabbed his iPad, which I hadn't used in a while. Sam has iMessage, so all his messages synced to the iPad's message app. I saw everything. Texts, pictures, videos. I saw it all. Apparently that master's in chemical engineering didn't constitute much intelligence, because the dumbass never changed his passcode. His side chick was a mutual friend of ours, Madison, who'd been in our home, had dinner with us, and was someone I'd actually seen as a potential bridesmaid. I spent days reading through everything. When I found the bombshell, she was pregnant. He'd also been sending her money from our saving for a bigger apartment fund. I was catastrophic. I cried so hard I thought I'd throw up. But what really got me were the things they said about me. They mocked me, made jokes, ridiculed and belittled me because I was the oblivious idiot fiancé who was so stupid. Madison would text me, chatting about wedding planning, then screenshot the messages and send them to Sam, laughing about how stupid I was. There was so much more, and far more vicious. I was gobsmacked. I felt like the meanest, worst girls from high school were standing over me laughing while I cried. But I was more confused than anything. Who the hell was this person pretending to